Now creating new variable. We will create BMI. We know that BMI is equal to weight in kg divided by height in centimeter. But in our code book, if we see height means centimeter, height in centimeter, weight in kg. But if we see the BMI formula, this weight in kg and height is meter square. So first we have to create a new variable height in meter. This is the height in centimeter. How to create? So again a new data set. So this is given by me. So here you can give any name A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, no problem. For practicing purpose, I am giving that A, my data. Mutate. Now another function is mutate. Generally mutate, this function is used to manage data. That means for data management, we use mutate function. Now we'll create a new variable. For example, ast underscore m, that means height in meter is equal to ast divided by 100. Why 100? Because we know that if we divide by 100, then centimeter will be meter. So if we run, okay, there is no error. So if we check, yeah, this is the meter. This is centimeter. This is meter. Now BMI. How to create BMI? BMI is equal to WT divided by HT underscore M E square. Y square, we know that in this formula, BMI is equal to weight in kg divided by height in meter square. So this is weight, this height in meter square. So if we run, okay, yes, this is the BMI. This height centimeter, weight, height meter BMI. So using this procedure based on the definition, we can create new variables.